How to fix Messenger story not showing. Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So all we need is just to open our Messenger, make sure basically that you have the latest version of this app, so it will be easier for you to fix this problem. After that, all we need is just to click on more in the left top corner on these three lines. To open this toggle menu with our name and settings option, we need to open settings. So click on settings icon in the right top corner of the menu. And here we need to scroll down till the end to find report a problem option. So we need to click on it and then just click on include to include our logs. It will be easier for Messenger support team to help us. So after that, we need to click on other here to choose the topic. Also, we can explain our problem. We need to write something like this. I don't have story option, but I have the latest version. Help me, please. Or something like this. Help me, please. So after that, everything basically is ready, and all we need is just to click on send. And in a few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days, the Messenger support team, of course, will probably help us. They will fix it by themselves, or they will send us the instruction of how can we fix it from our side. But this is the only one way how can we fix Messenger story not showing. But make sure that you have the latest version of the app. Sometimes the problem is in this reason. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. Wish you a very good day and goodbye.